In this question, they give us the equation of a line, right? And it is not written in slope-intercept form, but it's the equation of a line. And for A, they say find the x and y intercepts. So let's refresh our memory. The x-intercept is when y is 0, and the y-intercept is when x is 0. So to find the x-intercept, we substitute 0 in for y. So I'll do that first. So my equation is 2x minus 3y equals 7. To find the x-intercept, I will substitute in a 0 for y, and I'll solve. So I get 2x equals 7, x equals, let me show the step here, divide by 2, x equals 7 halves. So the x-intercept is 7 halves. Now let's find the y-intercept, right? 2x minus 3y equals 7. To find the y-intercept, we substitute a 0 in for x, right? So I get negative 3y equals 7, and I divide both sides by negative 3, and I get y equals negative 7/3. So the y-intercept is negative 7/3. And again, x and y intercepts are not ordered pairs. The x-intercept is the x value of where it crosses the x-axis, and the y-intercept is the y value of where it crosses the y-axis. So now for B, it says if a point on this line has an x-coordinate of 10, what is y? So basically they're saying, x equals 10, what's y, right? So we have the equation of the line, 2x minus 3y equals 7, and we can substitute in the 10 for x, right? So now we have an equation with one variable, and we can easily solve that. So I'll subtract 20 from both sides, and I get negative 3y equals, because this canceled, equals 7 minus 20, which is negative 13, and I'll divide by negative 3 on both sides, and I get y equals negative divided by negative is positive 13/3, and I can leave that as an improper fraction.